Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 23rd, and look at this. We've come from that political upheaval of all the news. Was pretty much motivated by this one, shocking, and then all we've done is just fill it right back in. Along with buy signal with the orange dipping below from a daily standpoint, shakeout moving back up. So we were actually a little earlier than even the orange, but on the same day that it came in, we were talking about the ABM green as a turnaround point, which is right down there at the 23.73 range, and done nothing but just get right back to the 24. And again, it doesn't change the 24.50 target that we've been talking about for quite some time. Well, since we reached the last target of 18 whatever, then we had 21, and we knew 24.50 was next. So we're on the way. Just a matter of time. Really going to start to be interesting to see some of the numbers coming out from growth issues, because that is really going to be the impetus to continuation on some of this. Even with the stall of a lot of the economic package details, the liberation of just realizing that there's going to be far fewer regulations and far less restriction on business is going to be a driver of a lot of this. Now, we just had the news that there was a fallout of the Greek bailout term, so it hasn't impacted the euro. It's still keeping its mediocre rise here. This is like getting to be pretty healthy, right back to where things were before the extreme. So clearly no Greek contagion having an effect. A lot of positive extremes on that move. It's a little interesting, particularly with the bond rally as well. So who knows what some people are thinking they're reading into it. And oil keeps rising despite the it's just a massive surplus. But if there is an increase in economic activity, this is the early signs of it. Fine, we've had the buy signal from there. Didn't think it was going to last very long. It's still going. As long as that shakeout's going, there's nothing you can do about it. You just keep following the ABM. Don't object to it. It's just actually a little bit longer in the tooth than I thought it was going to be so far. But we'll just keep following it as it is. And the possibility, though, that they're seeing some additional growth in use down the road could be the impetus, not to mention summer, just in general. Gold, doing exactly what we expect from the high side move. And from a 5K standpoint, it was a pretty solid day with the buy signals. It just kind of flattened out. Additional ones came in with the dip of the orange below the red, and we just propelled from there. Backfilled one or two positive extremes from back here, which was good because that's allowed for this early pre-morning breakout. We're getting close to that 2400 again. We're likely to have us break out through that, and that wouldn't be a surprise going forward. The question is, can it sustain over? We've hit it before, got rejected off of it. The question is going to be now, is there enough to actually push it through? And I guess NASDAQ's probably going to be the key on that one. So we'll keep an eye out for it. But so far, everything's in line and nothing traumatic news-wise. Breaking things down. I mean, obviously, there's the political front that's going to cause issues. We'll see how it goes. I don't know, I've got Obama coming by later today here in Florence. Of course, Trump is going to be in Rome. Very interesting. So we've got current president, former president, all in Italy. So it's a popular summer right now. The terrorism in Britain that took place the other night doesn't seem to be having any real significant impact at this point. I don't think it was a mass movement thing. So the current stage with this pre-market buy signal that came in back down here at the bottom, just below the long algo, we are cyan under red, but that's just about to be changing right now. So we could see a little backfill. I think we have a positive extreme on the 5K. Going right back to here, which would take us just back to the 92-ish level. So we'll look for that. If we do get a full retrace going in between here, we would look to see that the same peak right up here in the 96, 97 range revisited. So that's the current state of things. As always, though, trade well. We'll talk again tomorrow.